Who? Sounds like he's trying to say something.
Why not try and speak to him then? You may be able to ascertain something by his reaction.
I've always lived in the forests of Ogoji. But now I seek the capital. Tell me, Ku, why are you with us? Will I eventually be able to understand him?
I believe so. Eventually.
Emma, I've seen the Nushi's lair, and I'm worried. It's in an isolated spot, and overgrown with blighted foliage. It looks like the Nushi grew it as a form of defense. I'm not sure you can get in.
What should I do?
There's a sub-city near the lair. It's Sub-City 03. Looks like there was once a tunnel connecting it to the bulkhead. You can probably still use it to get through. Once you reach Sub-City 03, look for a way in to the Nushi's lair.
Understood.
Do you ever stop and look up at the sky, Emma?
Never. It's forbidden.
So they actually teach the kids that out here, too. That's right. Not a living soul in the world is allowed to look up at the sky. No one can see what's up there.
The crescent moon.
Right again. That moon has hung heavy since time immemorial. Yet no one has ever looked at it and survived. So mind your gaze doesn't accidentally wander upwards.
It won't. Violet taught me well.
Violet.
Never mind.
Well, just be careful. Emma, make sure you gather up any amber you find. Amber doesn't harm people like the blight does. Amber is a replacement for the
You look healthy, Ku.
petroleum energy that was used in prehistoric civilizations. It's malleable.
You mean me?
Yes. Your clothing. You're the only purifier here, right? It's been a long time since I've seen one with a companion.
What do you want?
Oh, nothing in particular. Seeing you both just brought back some memories, that's all. I couldn't help but call out to you. Here, take this as an apology for my caprice. Beasts are clever things. Your friend there will also find such items for you.
You think so?
I'll bother you no more. Go in good health.
Looks like you're in. Although I doubt my readings will prove much use. The entire place appears to be in ruins. You'll have to survey the area the old-fashioned way, with your eyes and ears.
Understood.
Are you coordinating well with Ku?
It won't open.
The Nushi resides beyond this point. Surely you don't intend on facing it.
It is my duty.
I feel the blight writhing within me. You must be a purifier.
Let us pass.
It's not that simple. The gate requires 3 keys to open. Red, blue, and yellow. Each held by a different owner. I possess the red key, which you can have. Find the other 2 and return once you have them.
Where are the other keys?
The blue one is with a nearby watchman. You'll find him in his lookout shack. A golem in Tailwater Village has the yellow one. I'm unfortunately in no state to help, as you can tell. It's shameful, really.
I can handle it.
Wait. I would be Take that sword there.
A sword? It will surely help us in the fierce battles ahead. Accept his gift, Emma.
Gladly. A strong box. Coup. You're acting strange.
It's the blue key.
There's an enemy here, Cool. Must be a campsite.
Remember, Emma, you're the sealer. You absorb the blight from any Nushi you defeat. In doing so, you might also end up absorbing their memories. The powers they bestow should prove useful in battle. Try to keep that in mind.
There's an enemy.
Remember how they...
What?
Listen, I'll...
So, you found me. The yellow key is in my possession. Take it. Succeed, but I could not. I failed. I failed everyone.
Another soul lost. May he finally be free from his guilt. He still grips the yellow key tightly in hand. Looks like we've obtained all the keys.
Kagura's woken up. Return to the walker.
Emma? Kagura?
I've been asleep since we left Ogochi.
Yes. You were injured.
I see. So it was after that.
He's gone. Why did you help him anyway?
I can't be sure. A voice spoke to me and told me not to kill it.
I see.
Also, I wanted to feel empathy. To try to know another's heart just a little.
Yes, I understand. Anyway, what are your plans for today?
We will take the biwa fruit we picked to the colony. Hopefully trade it for something nice before they go to waste.
A fine idea. And what if they ask about the pale malefacts?
I will make my report.
Telling them what exactly?
The same as always.
Well, I'd like to hear what you intend to say, all the same.
Fine. I pursued a pale malefact and eventually cornered it deep in the forest.
Go on.
As I was about to strike the killing blow, a mysterious voice emanated from the target. The target had been weakened with an arrow wound, so I took the opportunity and brought it home.
Emma...
I treated its wounds, and when I awoke the next morning...
Emma, listen to me.
What?
If you say that to anyone, you will face serious repercussions.
But that's what I need to report. The truth.
Why don't I just tell you what to say?
Fine.
Stop right there. Shouldn't you be out hunting those malefacts?
Just say that you haven't been able to track them yet.
I'm yet to find them.
Then be gone. This is no place for the likes of you.
Show him the biwa fruit.
I found this.
That could prove useful. Fine. Head straight down until you find the apothecary. You'll have to go to him directly, since I can't leave the gate unattended.
Understood.
Don't you go any further into the colony, you hear?
I'd say that went rather well, I think.
Is this all we have again? I knew surviving in the colony would be impossible. Seems the capital's our best bet.
They say that in the capital, death refuses to claim souls. They simply slumber instead. It's during this celestial rest that they are invited to Shambhala, where they await their coming resurrection.
What's a filthy stain doing here? Welcome. What does a mangy stained like you want?
Oh, the names they call you. Sealer, Stained. I couldn't stand it, personally.
Quiet, Violet.
What are you muttering to yourself about?
Nothing. I came because I found some biwa fruit in the forest.
Oh, could be useful, I suppose.
How much can I get for one?
No more than 200, I'd say.
This swindler. If he were to buy this, he could simply plant it for an endless supply.
What should we do then?
There you go again. Hurry up and give me an answer.
Refuse his offer. It's preposterous.
I think I'll keep it.
Huh. No doubt for the best. Your stains probably rubbed off on it.
Well, guess we head home then.
Wait. Go any further, and we'll be greeted with a hail of arrows. Wait. Go any further, and we'll be greeted with a hail of arrows.
Can you not even manage a task so simple? Who do you think feeds you? Who keeps you alive?
I'm sorry.
I think that's the girl who brings you food. That was quite the admonishment she received. Perhaps she's one of the orphans sold to a golem.
An orphan. Just like me.
The colony is ruled by the golems. It is no simple thing for humans to survive in such a world.
Honored Sealer. Then... is this for me? I can't accept this. It's far too valuable. I must be getting back.
It seems I failed again.
Again?
The pale malefact also left us.
Indeed. While it might not have proceeded how you had hoped, I wouldn't say that you failed.
Maybe.
Come, let's return home. Another messenger golem?
Honored Sealer, the colony calls upon you. There's been a rise in corrupted golems in Monument Square, and you are to dispatch them.
Understood.
I'm Kagura, by the way. I must thank you for earlier.
What do you mean?
You offered me the beaver fruit, so thank you.
But you...
Still, I wanted to express my gratitude, regardless. Oh, Sealer.
Emma is fine.
Oh,
I prefer it.
Emma. This is the first time anyone at the colony's been nice to me. It's still a shock. I'm a little lost for words. It would be nice if we could talk again like this. I must go.
Her life seems devoid of any kindness. But enough musing. You have a duty to fulfill. You can take a shortcut to Monument Square from the path on the cliffs above.
There. Those are the targets. What was that? It came from over there.
I think it came from outside the colony. There's something by the old purification plant ahead. The emblem of the capital. Look how many there are. What could they be doing? An official summons. This doesn't bode well. Thus far, they've been content with the unofficial variety. I wonder what has changed.
You again. Just go through.
I've heard they've summoned the sealer.
But why?
What on earth is happening here?
So you've come. Kneel before me, sealer.
Overseer Shuri.
The administrator has issued an edict to you directly. I shall project his image now. Heed his words.
An edict to a filthy state? What could the administrator possibly want with her?
My. To think you'd receive an edict.
The administrator.
It's like he's really come down to be among us.
The capital still commands the mysteries of the ancients.
Sealer, I command you thus. Eliminate the beast of reincarnation.
I can't believe it.
Surely it can't have risen again.
We're doomed. It'll leave no one alive.
Silence! The administrator speaks.
The great beast once appeared in our lands. It wrought destruction upon the capital and breathed the blight upon the world. Tis a pattern that repeats every 100 years. This undying creature returns. We know it as the beast of reincarnation. And so we stand at the genesis of yet another cycle. For what was once silent stirs again. Its presence grows stronger by the day. I expect it shall storm the capital before winter's end. Let there be no doubt. Humanity faces an eternal struggle. Yet, there lies a single hope. You. Normally, the different strains of the Blight cannot coexist, each competing for dominion until only one remains. However, you've shown the ability to carry multiple strains within you. And so I give you this command. Venture to every region and defeat the Nushi that reside there. Once you are done, you must then head to the capital and dispatch the beast. The blight you absorb from the Nushi shall make you our weapon, a blade that shall cut down our greatest adversary.
Are the administrator's words clear, Emma? You and our fleet of Cleansewalkers are to depart for the capital tomorrow at dawn. You have until then to make your preparations.
Surely not. You, against the beast of reincarnation. Can we even survive the forest itself? Who knows what awaits us out there? What is that?
Kagura.
It would be nice if we could talk again like this.
This way. This way, then. No good. That way.
injured?
I'm fine. I can still fight thanks to Ku.
They're entangling. What are they?
I can feel there's power. Power of fluorescence. There's also there's memories.
Seems to have awakened them. Stop being so stubborn and go down already. You'll get nowhere at this rate. That voice. It's almost as if I've heard it before.
You! Purifier! Head on, quickly! So she's the vessel. Emma. The sealer.
It's not how I envisioned it. At least the bird flies free. Finally it begins. The journey toward the beast. The stories of the stained. Now, give us your best show. Run along now, Emma. The capital awaits.
I'm sorry. I wasn't there to help you fight.
It's fine.
But... the capital?
Yes, that is my mission.
Then I want to go with you. You saved me, so I want to help you too.
I decided to help you on my own. I don't expect anything in return.
Emma.
You're the kid working for the overseer of Ogochi, right? What's your name?
It's Kagura.
You do anything useful?
I can cook. And read a little.
Then you'll get to work as soon as you're able. You'll be in charge of cooking and cleaning.
So, that means...
We're taking her with us.
Figure we don't have much choice. The guard fleet was wiped out at the colony, and they lacked the materials to rebuild. On this mission, our Cleansewalker is both our lifeboat and our base of operations. We'll take on anyone who can help look after it.
Really? Oh, thank you, Captain Brad.
All right, easy now. I'm no captain. Brad will do just fine. Just steer clear of the control room. Got it?
Okay. Wait, that means we'll be traveling together too. I won't let you down, Emma.